Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a strut bar installed. Check it out. It's Blitz JDM, straight JDM. I had to wait like a whole, I don't know, it was like a whole 4 or 5 weeks to get this thing in the mail. Check it out, it's here. Blitz Creek, we're freaking ready. Let's go ahead and do it. Hey, check out my freaking carbon fiber dash. That baby's beautiful. So I actually took my engine cover off just because, I don't know, I don't really see the purpose behind it. So I took the engine cover off and got to clean up the engine a little bit. But what we're doing is we're going to take this off right here. We're going to take this off right here and we're going to have the bar coming across. This is basically for the active dampers. These are the sensors that go on here, and it basically constantly, I guess, changes the damping settings to give you a comfortable ride, a sporty ride, so on and so forth. And that's where the Sport Plus comes in. So let's get started. What we're gonna do first is just unbolt these, take this little sensor out, and yeah, hang on tight, guys. So these bolts are actually a 14 millimeter, as you can see. 14 millimeter bolt goes here, and we'll just take it off. So you actually need a deep socket. For this thing, and I don't have those, so what I need to do is go to AutoZone. I'm going to buy some, and then I'll be back. But in the meantime, what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off this cap right here, and that way it's easy. When I come back, I could just pretty much take off the bolts and then set it all up. Right. I already measured this out, so this is the driver's side right here. And put this one in. You just kind of got to shimmy it in, but it's in there. Check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and finger tighten this real quick. This one actually goes like this. Boom. See how we got it in? Alright guys, so finally it's on there the correct way. You see there's no weird angle to it. These are all torqued down to 85 pounds. This thing is upright. So this little mount right here, the flat side, goes to the firewall. And that's it. And now it looks much better. So thank you everybody that told me, like, hey, the mounts are on backwards, because now it's even better, I'm sure. So thanks guys, appreciate you. And that just goes to show I'm listening.